So part B, currently the variable pay rate is hard-coded to 1050. Modified the program so the user is asked to input a float value instead. Your program should look similar to figure 4. So in this case here, we're going to change the hard-coded pay rate variable to a dynamic variable. So please enter the hourly pay rate. Okay, so we jump back to our Tony here. So you can see the pay rate is here, and it's currently hard-coded to 1050. So I'm just going to comment that out and put in a new one here. Pay rate is equal to, and we need to make this a float, and inside the float we need to take in the input from the user, and the input that we're going to take in is I need to have a jump back here and have a look. It's please enter the hourly pay rate. So please enter the hourly pay rate. The hourly pay rate, and probably a colon there and maybe a space in there as well, you know, to make it look nice, so you'll have to flush up against it. So let's save that. Let's run this. And now enter employee name. We've got a guide here to go on as well, so we want to enter 20 and we should be getting 800 back. So we'll use John as the name again. Enter the hourly pay rate is 20, and we should be getting 800 back, and that's correct for part B.